Hello there, YouTube friends, and welcome back to the Millionaire House. My friends over at newair.com sent me the new Magic Chef Extra Large Air Fryer to review with you today. So I'm going to show you how it compares in size to our existing air fryer. And although this product comes with a healthy cooking book that you can find plenty of great recipes in, Benjamin Buttons and I are going to share one of our favorite recipes with you today. So if you're a fan of Brussels sprouts, then stick around. We've got a fun recipe I think you'll enjoy. And give this video a thumbs up if you'd like more air fryer recipe ideas. Hey you guys, and welcome. We are doing something a little bit different for you today. Most of you guys already know my fabulous, handsome husband, Mr. Benjamin Buttons from Instagram, but in case you don't, here he is.
Thank you. Thank you.
He's really the cook in the house, and so we are going to share some of our favorite new recipes that we've been trying out with the Magic Chef Air Fryer.
Yep.
You want to tell them a little bit about what we're going to do?
So I think one of my favorites so far has been the Brussels sprouts. So we're going to do Brussels sprouts with some garlic, and probably we're going to mix it up. We'll have one batch with bacon, one without, and some blue cheese. I'm going to try a cauliflower, and we'll see how that goes.
We may
If
share it.
you don't see it, then it didn't turn out too well, but we'll see.
All right, guys, so let's get started.
All right.
My favorite thing so far about the Magic Chef Extra Large Air Fryer is definitely the size. The one that I'm sharing with you today has a manual option, but this air fryer also comes in a digital version as well. The pan on the left of your screen is from the inside of the Magic Chef Extra Large Air Fryer. As you can see, there's a lot more space inside for cooking, which is a game changer for a family of 5 like us. In addition to the product guide, you'll also receive a healthy cooking cookbook with lots of really delicious recipe options for you to try. You can find more information on newair.com and enter code Millionaire for 20% off of your purchase. And now for the air fried Brussels sprouts recipe. After you clean your Brussels sprouts, blanch them in boiling water and then place them in cold ice water for about 30 minutes. Next, you'll want to chop the Brussels sprouts in half and then toss them in olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Next, you'll want to chop up a couple of cloves of garlic, and we use about half a package of bacon that we chop as well. Although the instruction manual suggests that you add the olive oil or canola oil to the actual food, we found that with this specific recipe, it was easier to add a coat of oil to the actual pan insert before we added the bacon. So once you add your bacon to the bottom of the pan, then you're going to top it off with your chopped Brussels sprouts, and you are going to cook it on 400 for about 10 minutes. You'll see here that we actually turn the knob to cook for about 20 minutes. The reason that I say about 10 minutes is because about halfway through the air frying session, you're going to pull the pan out and give everything a nice toss. And at this point, you can also add in your garlic that you've chopped. We didn't put it in at the beginning of the session because we didn't want it to burn. Once your cooking session is complete, you can top off the Brussels sprouts with some blue cheese, and voila! The result is a very tasty recipe for both kids and adults alike. I have a direct link to the Magic Chef Extra Large Air Fryer in the description box below for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, love and peace.